Western Pennsylvania construction accident lawyer. Construction remains one of the most dangerous professions in America. In Western Pennsylvania, the risks are especially serious due to the volume of active sites, from highways to city developments. If you or a loved one has been injured in a construction accident, understanding your rights and legal options can make all the difference during recovery. Hazards on these sites are constant: falls, electrocutions, falling objects, and heavy machinery accidents. When proper safety protocols aren't followed, the results can be life-altering. Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C. in Newcastle stands ready to hold negligent parties accountable and fight for the justice you deserve. Legal responsibilities after a construction accident. In Pennsylvania, contractors and property owners must follow both OSHA safety guidelines and local building regulations. Failure to meet these standards can expose them to liability when injuries occur. These legal duties cover everything from proper signage and equipment maintenance to ensuring protective gear and safety training are provided. Workers are generally covered by workers' compensation, which provides medical and wage loss benefits without the need to prove fault. However, workers' comp doesn't cover pain and suffering, and recovery can be limited. In cases involving third-party negligence, like unsafe scaffolding built by a subcontractor, injured individuals can also pursue personal injury claims. These allow for broader compensation, including for emotional distress and permanent disability. A lawyer can help determine which parties may be responsible and build a claim that reflects the true cost of your injuries. This process includes reviewing site conditions, OSHA compliance, and equipment safety. An attorney also helps navigate whether a case is best pursued through workers' comp, personal injury litigation, or both. How construction accident cases are pursued in Western Pennsylvania. If you're wondering what steps to take or how long recovery may take, it starts with knowing your options. Workers' compensation provides immediate medical coverage and wage replacement, but won't always be enough, especially for catastrophic injuries. Third-party claims let you seek additional compensation if negligence is found outside your employer's actions. That includes contractors, equipment manufacturers, or property owners. These claims require evidence of negligence but provide access to damages like full wage recovery and compensation for physical and emotional suffering. If someone dies in a construction accident, their family may pursue workers' compensation death benefits or a wrongful death claim for larger financial and emotional losses. These cases must be handled carefully, with attention to deadlines and the unique legal structure of Pennsylvania law. Understanding the process of claiming compensation. Recovering compensation starts with identifying the type of claim you qualify for. Workers' compensation, which is no fault, includes medical treatment, wage loss, and in some cases, disability benefits. However, it doesn't cover pain and suffering or the full long-term financial impact of a serious injury. If a third party's negligence caused the accident, a separate personal injury claim can be filed. These lawsuits allow for a broader scope of damages, such as lost future income, emotional trauma, and even punitive damages in extreme cases. If faulty equipment was involved, product liability laws may also apply. Many cases involve pursuing both workers' comp and personal injury simultaneously. Doing this requires careful legal coordination to ensure compliance with both systems and to maximize the total amount recovered. A law firm can assess damages ranging from medical bills and rehab costs to disfigurement, emotional trauma, and even loss of enjoyment in life. The right legal team will gather medical records, hire witnesses, and calculate long-term care expenses to build the strongest case possible. Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C. has nearly a century of experience handling these types of claims across Western Pennsylvania. They understand how construction accidents disrupt every aspect of life and are dedicated to guiding clients through each step with compassion and tenacity. Reach out to Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C. today at 724-658-8535 or visit their office at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101, United States. Let their attorneys help you recover the compensation you deserve and move forward with confidence.